Good morning guys, hope you are doing good, and we are for the second day of our trade with all the team FO. So we are in Belum. Yeah, it's a little bit noisy and I need to shout for you if you wanna hear me. We are clearing around and we spend the night here in a chalet in the middle of the forest of Belum in the region of Royal Belum, Malaysia. Like, it's simply an amazing place. As you can see, like, there is a lot of trees, the wildlife. We are like this kind of bugs that you don't see anywhere. You have some beautiful flower, many stuff, guys. And the best part is the hammock, guys. Sleeping in a hammock is simply an experience you need to have in Malaysia. So we're going for a typical Malaysian breakfast. Yeah guys, and that's a lot of food when I say Malaysian breakfast. So you may think that a simple breakfast or a normal one is some milk and coffee, or milk and chocolate, some bread and strawberry jam. No, that's not the Malaysian one, guys. The Malaysian is this. This is a breakfast, guys. Fried rice, sausage, vegetables, and what's this also? And this is spicy thing. No, thank you. So, what do you think, guys? And here we go. Like, alhamdulillah, we had a good breakfast. No time to prepare for the day.
Of your place?
Morning, bro.
Morning.
Slept well, bro.
Slept well. I had a good time at the hammock, and I had a good sleep, you know, on the platform.
Which platform, bro?
The platform, the jetty there, and you see all the stars, was amazing.
Wow.
And all that. Very good.
You're really happy, bro.
My own family plus everybody else I celebrate.
Definitely.
Second thing,
I literally not eat. I just eating now.
And no going for the waterfall chase.
Yeah, finally.
Finally, yeah, we going. There is a lot of smoke, bro.
Yeah, there's a lot of mist around.
Like for Sudesh is a new thing, something vlogging around, like every time putting a camera and starting talking like this. Like,
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It must be the trees. The trees are talking to me sometimes. And
smoking trees.
smoking trees, yeah. It's so fucking small. Okay, proper one now.
So if you wanna have some good time with the boat, you need to have petrol, and this is what we are going to get now with our fisherman Noddy and me.
And it just might be the only thing that
This is the rain coming. We're running. Run, bro.
Can I have here?
Chasing our waterfalls. And here is the first one. So we are in a waterfall. We're just visiting a waterfall with all the crazy ones.
What's up, brother?
Knowing that there is in the region of Belum, like we have so many waterfalls, and the best thing to visit is just to take a boat, to rent one of the guide, and to enjoy the day, not under the rain, maybe under the sun, but the sun can be hot during the period of 12 to 4 p.m. So try to go on a shade, wear a snapback, and take with you some drinks. That can be cool, guys.